back. So we are pretty much done with all the features for now that my customer has required in my mind, and that's why I think I'm ready to present it, except for one thing. It looks kind of not that pretty. So we're going to try and actually style our application in the upcoming videos. And what I want to focus on is I want to try and make my own design. So I'm going to make something that ends up looking something like this, where we have all the users here, and later we will be able to click those. So we have a small users online area. We have the messages here in the middle, where we kind of put in the current date for the last message and the times for each message. We're going to have an area here just to kind of show next message that you can type in here your next message and press send. Maybe icons at some point. Then here you can see who is actually typing right now. And up here we have like just a header that can show you a menu later on, and maybe you can log out here if you want to, or leave the message area. I don't know. It's going to be something similar to this, but again, look at this compared to this right here. It's hideous. We're not even close. So we need to start looking at how we can make something similar to this in our application. Now, there's luckily frameworks out there that can help you make pretty styling. If you have to do it from scratch, I would encourage you to kind of find someone who's really strong at styling your application, but you can get a lot of help from different tools like Bootstrap. Bootstrap has a lot of great components pre-built for you, so you might have seen these buttons like this in other applications. Well, that's pretty much just Bootstrap doing its basic stuff for you. And Bootstrap has a lot of things you can use, like we have cards, we have carousels, we have buttons that we can do different things. We have drop downs prepared for you. There's so many things that are pre-made for you to make it look a lot prettier than the basic HTML tags that you're used to just seeing on the old pages from the 90s. So if you don't want to use that, there's another framework out there called Angular Material. Now this, in my mind, has a bit more animation, a bit more blinking effect. And it's kind of, I think it's Google who made Material Design right here. And it's the one you use on Android phones, for instance. So there's a lot of great stuff here as well. And I really don't know which one to use. So what I'm going to do in the upcoming videos is we're going to start by using Bootstrap. And when we're done playing around with Bootstrap, making something that might look a bit like this, I might be kind of ignoring a few things to kind of get the videos done. But we're going to make something similar. And when that is done, I'm going to make another branch in my Git repository, and I'm going to try and use Material Design instead to do the same thing, and again make something similar to this. So that's going to be the next videos that we're going to create. Is going to be about trying to style our application so it looks from this into something looking more like this. So that's it. See you next time. Bye.